Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best car dash cams for 2024. Whether you're looking for crystal clear footage, enhanced safety features, or easy installation, we've got you covered. Dash cams are a must-have for every driver, offering peace of mind and protecting you from unexpected events on the road. Stay tuned as we break down the top picks of the year, highlighting what makes each one stand out and which features are worth considering. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, YI Smart Car Dash Cam. The YI Smart Dash Cam, an advanced car DVR designed to make every drive safer and smarter. With its full HD 1080p resolution and Sony IMX317 imaging sensor, this dash cam captures crystal clear footage, day or night. Equipped with a 160 degrees wide-angle lens and an f1.8 aperture, it provides a broader, brighter view of the road. Its ADAS technology enhances safety by offering intelligent driver assistance alerts, ensuring peace of mind. The dash cam features a 2.7-inch LCD screen for easy playback and real-time viewing. Despite its compact size, it supports loop cycle recording and can accommodate up to 256 gigabytes of external storage. With built-in Wi-Fi, sharing footage is effortless. Special features like a G-sensor and motion detection add extra layers of security. Compact, reliable, and packed with features, the YI Smart Dash Cam is your perfect driving companion. Stay secure on the road, wherever your journey takes you. Fourth product on our list, Redtiger F9 Dash Camera. The Redtiger F9 Dash Cam is a powerful dual-camera system designed for modern drivers. With 4K Ultra HD front and 1080p rear cameras, it captures crystal clear footage. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lens and f1.5 aperture ensure vivid recordings, even at night. Stay connected with Wi-Fi GPS and the Redtiger app. View live video, playback recordings, or access GPS data in just a few taps. The built-in G-sensor saves crucial videos during incidents. Plus, the 48-hour parking monitor keeps your car secure when you're away. User-friendly and reliable, the Redtiger F9 Dash Cam combines safety with simplicity. Drive smarter today. Third product on our list, DDPAI N5 G-sensor Dash Cam. The DDPAI 4K Dash Cam N5 Dual offers exceptional coverage with its 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. It captures crystal clear footage for your safety and peace of mind. With night VIS and real cube technologies, it ensures vibrant, sharp images even in low-light conditions. This enhances your nighttime driving experience. Featuring loop cycle recording, the camera automatically overwrites old footage, saving space. Its G-sensor locks important clips in case of sudden impacts. It supports up to 512 gigabytes memory for extended storage, and the ADAS system provides added safety features. For reliable, high-quality footage, the DDPAI 4K Dash Cam N5 is the ideal choice for every driver. Second product on our list, DDPAI Z60 Car Dash Cam. The DDPAI Z60 Dash Cam is a top-tier option for drivers seeking full vehicle coverage. With a 3-channel setup, it includes front, rear, and interior cameras, capturing all angles for total peace of mind. The 4K front camera ensures crystal clear footage, while the rear and interior cameras provide additional coverage, perfect for monitoring your surroundings at all times. Thanks to the Night Vision 2.0 technology, the Z60 excels even in low-light conditions. This system enhances dynamic range, ensuring detailed images with balanced highlights and shadows. Ideal for license plate recognition. It's a fantastic tool for capturing clear, sharp footage day or night. Equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the DDPAI Z60 allows for seamless real-time monitoring and playback via its app. With support for 24/7 parking monitoring, this camera offers constant protection when you're away from the car. For those seeking the ultimate in security and clarity, the DDPAI Z60 is an exceptional choice. First product on our list, Wolfbox G900 Pro Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G900 Pro Dash Cam offers a powerful and comprehensive solution for vehicle surveillance. With 4K front and 2.5K rear cameras, it delivers stunning video quality, ensuring every detail is captured. The wide 170 degrees view angle ensures full coverage of the surroundings, while the advanced Sony StarVis 2 sensor guarantees clear footage even in low light conditions. Equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, this dash cam allows for quick data transfer and accurate location tracking. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen provides easy control and navigation. The G900 Pro also features voice control for hands-free operation, enhancing driver convenience. Night shot technology ensures clear recording at night, and with loop recording and parking monitor, this dash cam offers continuous protection. The G900 Pro supports up to 128 GB external memory, ensuring ample storage for all your footage.